On today's episode of MotoCheez.
The following movie is rated
I.
All the kids like, say that, think about this. People are putting together for the doctor. We'll never forget those who have paid alternate price for our fancy order.
Oh, little wiener dog. Oh, there's another doggy. See it? And another doggy. What are you doing, doggy? You see? 20 bucks. Jeez, need some sunglasses? Hot dogs, soft press. Oh man, we didn't eat any breakfast. I'm getting hungry. Fat man's got to eat, you know. Look how little they are. I know. Can you ride one, Chris? No? Crank it. They got little ones in. Those are cool. Those things are pretty neat, huh?
Bunch of kumquats. Kumquats, they don't ripen here until like January.
It doesn't look like it's charging now. Always something with a GoPro. Howard's Flea Market. Something for everyone. A little bit of everything. People cray cray. Jeez, people cannot drive. The DLX Rocky. Woo, that's a hog right there. Nice bike too. Go up the sidewalk? Nah. This f***ing guy that far back. Oh god. Shortcut. See if I can remember this way. I think I remember Coven Ass Expert. Oh man. Thanks again, Chris. Just because you didn't want to shut the water. Yeah, boy.
Just a good old boy.
Oh, it's a cliff in Florida. You hungry? Where do you feel like eating now? You don't like Mexican, do you? Or do you like Mexican?
Not really.
What do you think then? Find a diner? Yeah, gotta shave this seat down. That gas station was being built, remember? Free gas. Oh yeah, we dumped rock all over somebody. Ah, my favorite Mexican restaurant right there. Chris don't like Mexican. That's the best one I ever been to, that Mexican restaurant. I don't know if there's anything on this strip. Might just go home and make a sandwich. Guess it was 69 today. I thought it was like almost 75, but yeah. Going to Crumps tonight. Jeez. It's going down very slowly. Come on, you scared? You got a Jeep. That's a nice Liberty there. Man, he's still flooded. Alright, Chris, I guess you did good. Got ducks in the pond.
Later.
Boy, look at the sky. We at Crumps. See if the monkeys are out. I don't see him. Oh yeah, I see one.
Choice of chips or coleslaw.
Chips. Or fries.
Or if you
French
want
fries.
It's 99 cents.
Give me fries.
Upgrade to seasoned fries.
No need for a review. I got the buffalo chicken sandwich again. And you got the chicken tacos, and he got the all-American burger. Oh, what he's doing with it. He's playing with his food. Not supposed to play with your food. Now look at the size of that piece of chicken. my favorite. This and a gumbo shrimp. How's your burger? Was it good?
How was your burger?
Chicken taco. Buffalo chicken.
Good.
Yeah, mine was good too. I'm stuffed. And this is only, what was it, like $9, I think? $9 and change.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.